All right. Well, next week is a short week, but still, nonetheless, there's been a lot of movers, and I wanted to put something that I'm going into this week. It's kind of weird because it's been there, but nobody's been really paying attention to it. I guess they've been kind of like dabbling on it. Um, something is bubbling. Yeah, they've touched on it on some news on Yahoo. Barron's had a piece on it, um, but nobody's really done anything on it. So I guess I'm gonna do it because this is what I'm looking to hit this week. So okay, the name of the company is, well, the stock is PDPG, Performance Drink Group Inc. Relax. I don't know these people. They don't know me. I don't got nothing tied with them. I don't hold shares. Nobody holds shares for me. All that other stuff. Whatever. This is what I'm doing. This is my play. This has nothing to do with nobody. But the reason I wanted to put this out there is because I wanted to show people something. And it's funny because it was out there, but I guess people are not looking at the news on it. Barron's had this the other day. PDPG News Outperformance Drink eliminates 1.5 billion common shares. Okay? So they got rid of 1.5 billion shares that were floating above them. Okay? That's scary world because obviously that's when there's all those shares that could be obviously used against us, shareholders, whatever, investors. Then they retired over 7 million shares of preferred stock into the market from the market. So they locked these things up in the treasury. This just happened. Okay. So they eliminated the 1.5 billion common shares that were out there. They killed the dilution. Then they took over 7 million Series A preferred and they locked it up. So they locked it up and they cleaned it up, and at the end of the day, they're launching a search for cash flow positive acquisition. Okay, neither here nor there, but here's what's important about this. This company is cleaning up their stock portfolio, their entire float. They got rid of these excess shares that were out there, and then they locked up this amount here so the company can stay with some form of liquidity in case they ever need it in the future. Now, for my purposes as a day trader, um, this here doesn't really, there's no big deal. This part here, yes, the fact that they cleaned it up now they retired these things out. But like I said, this here, let me go back to here. This stock here, okay, if you think about it, like let's say the way I look at it, and there's a couple of other stocks that are out there that are great, but the fact of this company, the new CEO came in, he cleaned up the stock. He put stock away so the company's healthy. And for the time frame that I need, I don't have to worry about a reverse split. I don't have to worry about the CEO having weird, you know, thoughts of like, well, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Well, you're not going to do that with me. Um, I'm actually just looking at coming in this. Like I said, my goal is to, go in, hit it for, I don't know, whatever, and then hold it to, you know, a good number in the day trade. That's what I will look at it. I mean, if it's at this, I mean, this is going to have a bump. It had this bump here up to 20 cents when they announced that they were cleaning themselves up. Okay? They just had this bump. So if I could get in again at here when they announce, if they're going to announce that they have a cash flow positive, because that's what they announced. That's it. They said that they're seeking that now. Why would they be doing this as far as the cleanup? Do you understand? Why would they announce that cleanup? Why did they do that? And Yahoo Finance had it here. Look, I'll put it over here. I'll go to Yahoo Finance, which I never do, but nonetheless. Okay, let me get out of this. Performance energy drink eliminates 1.25 billion common shares. Okay, we all know that stuff. But if you go to the PR release right here, this is the cool one. The company appointed, 2 seconds. the company appointed a new CEO in the fall of 2022. That was just right a couple of weeks ago. And since then, the new management has been working on an acquisition strategy and eliminating billions of potential shares. That was the first step was retiring the 7 million shares, over 7 million, okay, back into the treasury. Okay, they locked them up so this way, they have in case they need. And phase two was to retire, obviously, the common shares of the officers of the company. And then the final phase was, listen, they cleaned it up. Now, here's the thing. So you see how they cleaned it up? Now, here's the cool part. The company, 2 seconds. Why can't I do this correctly today? Okay, the company plans to aggressively seek cash flow acquisition while continuing to develop its beverage line. And this is the CEO. I'm excited about this opportunity for performance. I've had some success in fixing companies, finding high revenue and cash flow positive acquisitions in the past. But I have never, hear this one, but I have never had such a clean company with now very clean share structure to start with. I hope to deliver shareholders tremendous value as we move forward. Jeffrey, whatever, the CEO, yada, yada, yada. Let me tell you something. Look what he just said. I never had such a clean company and now a very clean share structure. Okay, considering where we just came from and all the plays and all the craziness and the GTIs and the COSM surprise reverse split and the AMC and the Mullen, they don't even know what they're gonna do. They're gonna dilute a reverse split or whatever. I just said to myself, I was looking for a clean play, and this clean play is right here in front of everybody to see. I guess people weren't looking at certain things, but it's there and it's all over the place. And it took the bump up. Okay? So you have to understand this is why this is my play for the week, because it's standing there right in plain sight. So just wanted to put that out there. Like I said, you do whatever you're gonna do, you choose whatever stock you're gonna choose. But if you're gonna choose a stock, you need to look for a stock that it's not just the price. You got to look behind, behind the street. You got to look behind and see what's going on. This company hired a new CEO. They cleaned up their entire share structure. Okay. And now they got a blank slate to now acquire new cash flow positive business. So what does that mean? I don't know, but it sounds like they're going to go in the direction where we're going to make money. Meaning me and the company, because they're going to make money whatever they're going to do. And if I invest in them, I'm going to make money. As far as what you guys do, you guys could go, I don't know, AMC, Mullen, you could do whatever you want to do. Just do yourself a favor in this year going forward. There's no more such thing as hold to the moon. Banding together we're going to beat the shorts, that doesn't work. What does work is finding a company that on its own has a clean structure, a CEO that basically is looking to, for lack of a better word, protect this company. Listen, for a day trade, I'm not going to be in any danger. I don't have to worry about a reverse split. I don't have to worry about him increasing the shares. I don't have to worry about him creating a preferred equity unit. I don't have to worry about any of that. What I do got to think about is I invested in the company, which I'm going to because I haven't done it yet. It's Saturday at a little bit after 12 o'clock New York time. I'll put my order in. But the thing is, I haven't done it, but I'm not afraid of this, because at the end of the day, yeah, even if I get myself 30, 40, 50 cents on this, yeah, I'm not going to be damaged. That's why I said that after 2022 is over, the kind of plays I was looking for were not generated from Wall Street. It wasn't generated from Reddit or StockTwit or mysterious people that pop up online or strange discords. I'm done with all that craziness, and I'm going back old school. A low price stock with a company that's realigning themselves to move forward. Do I drink energy drinks? No. You see me drink all the time. I drink freaking regular seltzer water. I don't, whatever. But there are people who do drink that stuff, so God bless them. Maybe they drink a lot of it. My stock price goes up. So that's it. This is it. It's an OTC. There's no halts, and this for me is a day trade. So when people tell me, how long should I hold? That's your business. When should I buy? That's your business. Should I get in? That's your business. Should I not get in? That's your business. If you do whatever you do, that's you. I don't know what you're going to do. I'm just trying to show you what kind of plays I'm looking at this year to compound in order to make my targeted goal. And they have to be clean. They have to be companies that are restructured themselves for a positive future. So God bless everybody. Whatever plays you choose, just remember, you do you, I do me, and we don't do each other. Giant loves. Giant loves.